Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your My Watch for a firmware update to avoid interruptions. Charge the My Watch to at least 50% before starting the update. Turn on Bluetooth and keep the watch within 3 meters of your phone. Install or update the Xiaomi Wear or Zepp Life app on your phone right now. Sign in to the same account you use on the watch. Close other Bluetooth connections that could interfere with the process. Open the Xiaomi Wear or Zepp Life app and tap the device card for your My Watch. If an update appears, tap Download and then Install to start the firmware transfer. Choose Wi-Fi for faster downloads or use cellular if necessary. Expect a 10 to 50 MB file. Keep the watch on its charger and do not disconnect Bluetooth during the update. The watch will reboot automatically when the new firmware is installed successfully. If the update fails, reboot both the watch and your phone and retry the update immediately. Clear the app cache or uninstall and reinstall Xiaomi Wear or Zepp Life if problems persist. Verify the new firmware version in watch settings to confirm the update completed successfully. If the watch remains unstable, backup data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Contact Xiaomi support with your watch model and firmware version if you still need help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.